Welcome, in front of me is a DOOGEE X95 and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, all you need to do is hold your power button and from there select power off. When the device turns off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. After a couple seconds you should see a boot mode, at which point you want to let go of both of those keys. And then, using only volume up to navigate through the option, select the first one, which is recovery mode, confirm it then with volume down. Give it a second and we should be then taken to recovery mode. Now in recovery mode we will be using both of our volume keys to navigate up and down. With that in mind, you want to select wipe cache partition, and then once it's selected, like it is for me right now, you want to press power button to confirm that. Select yes, confirm it, and we're done. So now, reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power key once more. This will then reboot the device and take us back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.